Ever seen those viral clips of a peel that makes your dead skin look like it's rolling off your face? That's Dr. Melaxin Peel Shot, a rice-based exfoliating ampoule promising radiant, pore-refined skin. But does it actually shrink your pores? Or is it all for show? Let's break it down. The formula infused with pentaris rice water plus pentavitin, black rice extract, niacinamide plus AHA, BHA, and PHA claims to not only brighten and hydrate, but to deliver measurable improvements, about 73.8% reduction in pore count and 28.7% smaller pore area after just one use per clinical data on the official site. And over 2 weeks, it claims 92.7% fewer whiteheads and 69.4% less oily pore sebum. Pretty compelling numbers. Redditors have mixed but insightful feedback. Some users say, my face does genuinely feel cleaner and smoother after, and it's still worth a purchase even if pores weren't dramatically shrinking. One noted it was buffering ingrown hairs and delivering real skin turnover. The face feels so soft, the peel shot is so fast and hassle-free, I'm never going back. Others cautioned that the dramatic-looking dead skin is mostly product peeling, not actual skin peeling. It's a gimmick that makes it look like dead skin is falling off, but it does have chemical exfoliants in the recipe. Still, many users say it visibly softens texture and gives a smoother touch even if the visuals are part product effect. So does Dr. Melaxin Peel Shot truly shrink pores? Not exactly. What it does do is deliver smoothness, exfoliation, and brightness fast. If you're after instant texture refinement and smoother feeling skin, it's worth a try. Just don't rely on the theatrics of peeled product as proof of effectiveness or a substitute for consistent skincare. Let me know in the comments if you have any insights. Hit like and subscribe for that next. Thanks for watching.